Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Life's best moments are shared with love. One love, many hearts, endless joy. Love is the reason we gather. Every reunion is a love story. Love brings us home, always. The best place to be is with loved ones. In every hug, love speaks louder. Together, we make love a celebration. Love brings us closer, no matter the distance. Hearts connect where love exists. The best memories are made with love. Love makes the simplest moments magical. Forever is built on moments like these. Loving and laughing together, priceless. A gathering of hearts is a gathering of love. In love, we find true connection. Smiles are brighter when shared with love. Love is not just said, it's felt. The best gatherings are wrapped in love. Love multiplies when we are together. Where love is, life is beautiful. Happiness is love in action. A gathering without love is just a meeting. Together we shine brighter. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. The first duty of love is to listen. Smiles are brighter when shared with love. Love is not just said, it's felt. The best gatherings are wrapped in love. Love multiplies when we are together. There is only one happiness in this life, to love and be loved. We accept the love we think we deserve. Love recognizes no barriers. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his own hat. To love is to burn, to be on fire. The art of love is largely the art of persistence. In love, there is always some madness. Love takes off masks that we fear we cannot live without.